A village cop walks up and tells protesters they can't be here without a permit. The problem is, it's a public sidewalk in front of a restaurant, and they've already called the village to check. You're about to watch the full 4-minute clash, then we'll audit what the law actually protects on a sidewalk.
That stake was a living individual who resisted their death.
Here's what just happened in legal terms. Sidewalks in front of ordinary businesses are usually treated as public forums, which means you can record, hold signs, and express your views without a permit as long as you're peaceful and not blocking anyone's path.
I was given the town hall number and I called and they said I did not need a permit, so I did not get a permit.
The officers' early talk about needing a permit to demonstrate in the village ran headfirst into that reality. No specific code, no real obstruction, just complaints and discomfort. By the end, even he concedes it. As long as you're not blocking people, they're going to leave it as it is. That's the quiet moment where opinion gives way to rights.
My vehicle. This is a public space. We already spoke with the manager, I believe it was, and she said that we have the freedom of speech.
Your takeaway is simple. On a public sidewalk, stay off private property, don't block doors or foot traffic, don't threaten or touch anyone, and keep filming. If an officer claims you need a permit, calmly ask what law you're violating and what you must change to comply. Document everything and save the bigger fight for court or a complaint, not the curb.
Listen, I'm not saying you're obstructing traffic. I'm not saying any of that, you know.
So what, on the grounds of what would you
Well,
be?
I'm going to follow up.
Please. Okay. All right. We'll be here.
Come back and give you a better answer. All right, so spoke to somebody back at our headquarters. All right, somebody a little higher than me. All right.
Sure.
I don't know who you spoke with at Village Hall. I would call up and complain to them because they gave you the wrong information. 1,000. I would say 100% need a permit to demonstrate, even if it's at a 2-person level, right? I understand that you have what-if scenarios, but we're dealing with this particular situation.
Okay,
right,
and what is wrong with this particular situation? But you're saying why would I need a permit?
In order to demonstrate in the village of Rockville Centre, you need to have a permit. Now, if you don't do that, you can be issued a cease summons or criminal summons for
what?
For demonstrating without a permit. I just explained that to you, but I don't want to do that. I don't want anybody to get in trouble over this.
And I explained the situation, and they specifically told me that no permit was needed. I would like the code that we're breaking because
we will issue whatever we need to issue. Okay?
What do you mean
issue? If we need to. Would you think that this is maybe provocative, maybe information people need to know? This would be done better somewhere else.
Where specifically do you suggest?
We get people complaining.
That's fine. Okay.
People are allowed to complain, and you're allowed to have a different opinion than them.
If we go to a different corner,
I am not.
We're gonna have the same issue then, because if I go from here to over there, the code would still be the same. No.
No, it changed because we're in different places.
Seems like it's being made up then.
Impede pedestrian traffic.
We know that. Yeah.
Okay. As long as you're not bothering people, we're going to leave it as it is.
Okay.
If you could lower the brightness of the screen an inch, not even, just as a human to another human. But you're not required to do that.
Okay. I'm glad that you guys came to this conclusion that we're not doing anything wrong.
Never said you were. I never. That's that.
Well, you had said that we broke a code and that we needed a permit. That's what you said.
Laws vary by state. This is educational, not legal advice.